I'm José António Silva, Operations Director of Procalçado, one of the greatest leaders in Europe for producing shoe components and shoes itself, with more 45 years experience in the marketplace.
As EWEN, we had a goal to become a solution provider in Industry 4.0, and L4MS program was identified as a golden opportunity to help us get there quicker. For that, we built a consortium with EWEN technical know-how and Procalçado industrial expertise, seeking for process automation. EWEN's challenge at the beginning was to understand what the 3D simulation and uphill would contribute to our implementation in the HAMLET project and for our new business area. We used 3D simulation in the first 3 months to model the two processes that would be addressed in the HAMLET experiment: the mold change process and raw material and finished product handling.
We then understood that both the mold change and materials handling process were well defined in Procalçado, and that the important thing would be to implement changes to improve human operator safety and to use automation with AGVs to achieve production gains. We needed a mold change accessory to adapt the electrical stacker or AGV with forklift. This accessory was designed with EWEN and proved to be very useful, allowing easier mold manipulation and reduction in mold change times, and improved above all operator working conditions.
Materials handling is a repetitive task and could benefit from AGV automation. Here, EWEN study the options available and choose to use mere AGVs to transport raw material and finished product. Material handling concepts experimented is applicable in other sectors of Procalçado, and HAMLET experiment was a good showcase for management awareness to support future automation need requests.
The project can be divided into two main parts: the material handling with an AGV and mold change with an electrical stacker. For the material handling and the mold change, we used OPIL Sun for the sensors, the OPIL task planner, and especially for the AGVs, we also used the RAN for communicating with the AGVs.